The financial industry is changing, fast. Technology is driving this change. We call this fusion of finance and technology Fintech. It's more than just a buzzword. Fintech is revolutionizing how we manage money, invest, and access financial services. Think about how you pay for things. Do you use your phone or a card? That's Fintech in action. Fintech is making finance more accessible, efficient, and customer-centric. It's a dynamic and rapidly evolving field, and it's creating incredible opportunities for those with the right skills and ambition. This fusion of technology and finance is disrupting traditional banking. It's also giving rise to new business models. Fintech is empowering consumers. They have more control over their financial lives than ever before. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or a finance professional, understanding Fintech is crucial. It's shaping the future of finance, and it's an exciting wave to ride. Fintech is a broad field, encompassing a wide range of sectors. Each sector is transforming traditional financial services in its own way. Let's delve into some of the key areas. Digital payments are at the forefront of the Fintech revolution. Mobile wallets, online payment platforms, and contactless technologies are changing how we transact. Blockchain, the technology behind cryptocurrencies, is another game changer. It offers secure and transparent solutions for payments, supply chain management, and more. Insurtech is leveraging technology to revolutionize the insurance industry. From online insurance platforms to AI-powered risk assessments, Insurtech is making insurance more affordable and accessible. Robo-advisors are transforming the investment landscape. These automated platforms provide personalized investment advice and portfolio management, making investing easier for everyone. And then we have RegTech, which is using technology to streamline regulatory compliance in the financial industry. The Fintech industry is hungry for talent. But what skills do you need to thrive in this exciting field? A unique blend of technical expertise and financial acumen is crucial. Technical skills are paramount. A strong foundation in programming languages, data analysis, and cybersecurity is essential. Understanding of financial concepts is equally important. Familiarity with banking, investments, and financial regulations will give you a competitive edge. But it's not just about hard skills. Soft skills are equally crucial. Problem solving is essential in the fast-paced world of Fintech. You need to be able to think critically, analyze data, and come up with innovative solutions. Collaboration is key. Fintech is a team sport, and you'll be working with professionals from various backgrounds. Excellent communication and interpersonal skills are a must. There are numerous paths you can take to acquire the necessary skills for a Fintech career. Formal education is a great starting point. Many universities now offer specialized master's programs in Fintech. These programs provide a comprehensive understanding of the industry, covering topics like blockchain, cybersecurity, and financial modeling. Online courses and boot camps are another excellent option. Platforms like Coursera, EDX, and Udemy offer a wide range of Fintech courses, allowing you to learn at your own pace. Networking is crucial in any industry, but especially in the fast-paced world of Fintech. Attending industry events, joining Fintech meetups, and connecting with professionals online can provide valuable insights and connections. Remember, the Fintech industry is constantly evolving. Continuous learning is key to staying ahead of the curve. Embrace new technologies, stay updated on industry trends, and never stop learning. Section 5. Gaining experience. From internships to startups. While education provides a solid foundation, practical experience is invaluable in the Fintech world. Internships are a fantastic way to gain hands-on experience. Many Fintech companies, from startups to established institutions, offer internships to students and recent graduates. Personal projects are another excellent way to showcase your skills. Develop a Fintech app, build a financial model, or create a blockchain solution. Startups are the lifeblood of the Fintech industry. Working for a startup can provide unparalleled learning opportunities. You'll be working in a fast-paced, dynamic environment where you can make a real impact. Volunteering for Fintech-related projects is another way to gain experience. Offer your skills to nonprofit organizations or community initiatives that are leveraging Fintech solutions. Section 6. Career paths in Fintech, a world of opportunities. The Fintech industry offers a wide range of career paths, catering to diverse interests and skill sets. If you're passionate about technology, consider roles like blockchain developer, cybersecurity analyst, or data scientist. For those with a strong financial background, positions like financial analyst, investment advisor, or regulatory technology specialist might be a good fit. The demand for skilled professionals in areas like product management, marketing, and user experience is also on the rise. Fintech companies need individuals who can understand both the technical and business aspects of the industry. As the industry continues to grow, new and exciting roles are emerging all the time. The key is to identify your strengths, interests, and career goals. Then, align them with the opportunities available in the fintech landscape. Section 7. The future of finance, embracing innovation. Fintech is not just about disrupting traditional finance, it's about creating a more inclusive, accessible, and efficient financial system for everyone. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are playing an increasingly important role in fintech. From fraud detection to personalized financial advice, AI is transforming how financial institutions operate. Open banking, where banks share customer data with authorized third-party providers, is another trend to watch. It's fostering innovation and competition in the financial services sector. The future of fintech is bright. As technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more innovative solutions that will shape the future of finance. The key is to embrace innovation, adapt to change, and be a part of this exciting revolution. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting your career, now is the time to explore the vast opportunities in fintech. Section 8. The impact of fintech, a global perspective. The impact of fintech is not limited to developed countries. It's transforming financial services in emerging markets around the world. In regions with limited access to traditional banking, fintech is bridging the gap. Mobile banking solutions are providing financial services to underserved populations. International money transfers are becoming faster, cheaper, and more transparent thanks to fintech innovations. The global nature of fintech also presents exciting opportunities for collaboration and innovation. Startups and entrepreneurs from all corners of the globe are developing innovative solutions to address local financial challenges. This cross-cultural exchange of ideas is driving the industry forward. Fintech is truly a global phenomenon, connecting people and businesses across borders. Section 9. Conclusion. Your fintech adventure awaits. The world of fintech is brimming with opportunities for those who are passionate about technology and its potential to revolutionize finance. Whether you're a recent graduate or a seasoned professional looking for a career change, fintech welcomes you. Embrace the challenge, never stop learning, and be prepared to ride the wave of innovation. Your fintech adventure awaits. Take the leap and be a part of shaping the future of finance.